You know what kills most creators, dreamers, and ambitious people? It's not lack of talent, it's not lack of tools, it's the obsession with looking perfect. Listen, making something powerful isn't about clean lines, flawless design, or an aesthetic feed. It's about energy. It's about intensity. That raw, unfiltered conviction that says, this is me, take it or leave it. The problem is, you already have vision. You already know what good looks like. But when you finally create, it feels flat. It feels mid. Why? Because instead of letting it flow, you overthink. You polish it to death. You're trying to impress instead of express. Here's the truth. Nothing iconic was ever made by playing it safe. The Porsche 911, it wasn't built to please everyone. It was built out of obsession. Tyler, the creator, his art is messy, loud, awkward, but real. That's why people connect with it. If you're trying to build something unforgettable, stop chasing polish. Start chasing honesty. Because people don't fall in love with what's perfect. They fall in love with what feels alive. So here's your two-step formula. Step 1, make it for you first. Create the thing you wish existed 5 years ago. Step 2, turn it up. And then turn it up again. That weird, raw detail you're scared people won't get, that's the soul. Push it harder. Because safe doesn't spread, perfect doesn't last. But the work that bleeds, the work that shakes you, that's what changes people. So stop asking, will they like it? And start asking, does this feel like me turned all the way up? That's when your work finally hits. That's when it becomes cool.